All right, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I ordered a bunch of the blackout pieces, and I pieced this together off Amazon. I'll drop the links in there. None of this is sponsored or any of that stuff. But I looked on a bunch of the bigger name websites for 4Runners, and it's like each piece was either really expensive or it was sold out, so you couldn't do a complete blackout. So what I did was I went through Amazon, and essentially what I did is piece together a matte black set to cover everything that you see from the glove box area, the center trim, to this piece right here, and even the steering wheel minus the Toyota logo. So we're gonna clean this up real quick, and then it came with one cleaning thing out of all the things I ordered off Amazon. So we're gonna use a regular cleaner, clean everything off, get the dust off, and then install these matte black kits. The only thing I didn't get, because I couldn't find them, was the door handle piece right here. So that will be next on the list. But as far as the dash area, this should cover every piece of the dash and black it out essentially. So I think it should look really good. So here's the last look of everything being silver and black, and then we'll go to installing, and I'll talk about how each piece was to install. I'm not going to show you how, because like a lot of this is just simple put on, and it's 3M and it's good. So all right, so here is the finished product. As you can see, all the black overlays all the way to the steering wheel and the center console right here. Came out pretty good. The most tedious part of this is taking these off the 3M. It did come with extra, but we'll find out how they hold up and how the 3M works. The good thing about this is that if it does have issues, you just pull it off and you replace the 3M. As far as it breaking or anything else, I don't see there being any issues, but all of it did match as far as the matte black look, and pretty happy with it. So I'll drop everything down below if y'all want to check it out. Like I said, this does everything from the steering wheel over to the glove box. Have not figured out this portion yet, but we'll get to that. But overall, pretty satisfied with it.